Mercy. To all the pepper lovers, this is for you.
You may have a bite F.I.R.E. now. Taste it now.
Stuff from the curves. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. 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 Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs.
So guys, I'm at F.I.R.E. I'm in F.I.R.E, yeah, in Jamaica, here in Manchester. And I don't know about you, but a lot of times when you think about healthcare, when you think about self-care, men don't do a lot of it. So I'm here, and see what they have to offer. Beautiful ambience, beautiful place. They're warm, the staff members are warm and encouraging and inviting. So it's been good so far, and I'm just waiting for them to call me up and to go and get rid of some of this stress. Especially for our men, right? We know that men do not prioritize self-care. We believe self-care is selfish. We believe that we must do it once in a blue moon, but we try to take care of everybody else. But today I'm going to be trying to take care of me. Yeah? So, I'm excited. I'm a bit nervous, but I'm excited. stuff with.
Stuff from the cups. Hey.
That's some more stuff.
Hey.
That's some more stuff.
Hey. With stuff from the cups.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Pull up.
I ain't got nothing.
You don't want a verse? I mean, make sure you beat the rhythm and me go to the verse. That's some more stuff. That's some more stuff. That's some more stuff with.
Stuff from the cups.
That's some more stuff. That's some more stuff. That's some more stuff
With stuff from the cups.
whether we in the car or we going real far, we not bring no war and we bring in peace. Yup, pull it.
Is that the verse? Okay.
You never have
Verse
nothing.
shot, bruh.
You never have nothing, you know.
Yeah, but never,
When the tune
I never
bad,
promised them no
when the
verse.
tune bad, you have to pull up.
I didn't promise them any verse. You did, and you gave them album. Album.
Next time I'm gonna get the earth.
No, on the earth.
Why?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're not driving today, but
And we have to be quiet because the kids
it's
are
late. It's like after 12 in the morning that we're recording this, but we needed to get this done because we're dealing with food, and the food not going to taste good if it, or not taste as good if it goes in the fridge and then we heat it up. So we decided that we have to get this done. No, even though it's late. So what we're doing today is we are reviewing the new sandwiches from Wendy's
and KFC.
and KFC.
KFC, but Jamaica was a KFC.
KFC. So it's the crispy barbecue zinger from KFC.
And the ghost pepper ranch sandwich from Wendy's.
Yeah. So we are not pepper lovers. We don't normally choose to eat pepper. If we happen to eat pepper, it must be like we're never too sure that the food was pepper. But we decided that we wanted to taste both these sandwiches because they're new and people have been, raving about them. Yeah. So
and it's summer. We have to try something summer vibes, something spicy, something hot.
And I hear that they are hot. So on standby we have milk and water and ice. Simply because, again, as I said, we are not pepper lovers. We don't normally eat pepper. I don't cook with pepper.
Taking a risk for you guys. We're doing this for you.
Yeah, we're going to let you know how they taste so that you can, you can taste them for yourselves if you want, alright?
I'm a zinger lover, so I'm always eating the barbecue zinger, but this one is supposed to have an extra oomph.
Yes, it's supposed to have onions and bacon. Is which one?
I don't know. Well,
We'll soon tell you. So which one we're starting with? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, ketchup, up your bite. So if you want to let it go, eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
For the king and the queen says so.
1,000 years ago.
No, so me no, not because it's dirty. Not because
So we're starting with
because it's a girl in the dirty magazine.
No, magazine. So we're starting.
Drop it in the comments below and tell us that's how it goes. Yeah?
I know where you grew up, but anyway. So we're starting with the ghost pepper ranch. I think we should start with the zinger. Because I think this one is going to be hotter.
I thought we start with this one, but I don't know anymore for the
Right, so let's start with the zinger. Simply because I think the ghost pepper ranch, the fact that it's named ghost and pepper and ranch. First of all, I love this packaging, KFC. Please do this for the regular zinger as soon as this whole promotion dies down.
I hope it don't die down. I just love zinger, so it gives me more variety. And for those of you who watched the last video when we were there talking about it, and they didn't have the zinger that I wanted, right?
It smells good. So in this zinger, there is bacon.
Let me give it a close up.
There is bacon. So it's not a barbecue zinger. It has barbecue sauce. So it's a spicy zinger with barbecue sauce. It has bacon. It has crispy onions. It has cheese. So let's see how this one tastes.
Alright,
So let's go with this one.
let's give them an influencer bite or a man bite.
It tastes good.
Oh, I'm a review,
It tastes good. Very good.
It tastes good. And as I said, I love Zinger, so I'm usually buying the Zinger. So the cheese, the sauce, and the bacon
And the onions.
is a nice extra
Crispy
Zinger.
onions.
Yeah. Spice level, compared to the normal Zinger, it's probably like 2 notches up.
Up, yeah.
Yeah.
It's not overbearingly
yeah.
hot, which I'm happy about.
It
So
leaves a nice little aftertaste in your mouth. It's
Yeah.
crunchy. And I would just sit down and eat this off right now, so soon come.
I think the bacon, apart from the sauce, and the sauce does not taste like barbecue chicken. Like KFC barbecue chicken,
Right.
it's a different kind of barbecue. So it doesn't taste like barbecue Zinger.
Right.
So whatever they did with the sauce, it was obviously a different recipe, I guess, or something added. But the onions, the bacon, and the sauce paired with the spicy Zinger and the cheese gives it such a nice flavor.
It tastes like foreign. Yeah. It tastes like, it gives me an American
Great
taste.
flavor.
It makes me feel international.
I hope this is not temporary because it actually tastes really good. And usually if I go to KFC and I can't get barbecue Zinger for him, I probably just don't buy anything. But this is
Nice mix.
great. I love it. You see it? Loving the layers. She's delicious.
The beautiful thing about this is she's not going to finish hers, so I can get it.
Big ups KFC. Loving this. Really good. I don't normally eat Zinger. Brian can tell you I don't normally eat Zinger, but I would eat this like on a, maybe not, yeah, on a regular basis. I'd eat this.
So fill up your belly. So you know your stomach is small.
Alright, let me just take one more bite. It's that good. And we drink some water and then we taste the next one. So you said
Yes,
spice level is
Yes,
probably
really good.
spice level based on your tolerance. This is probably
Yeah, and it's going to be based on your tolerance, but if you
Yeah.
know what the previous Zinger tastes like, just think 2 notches up. Yeah? Yeah. Woo!
the spice level for me would be probably like
Father's Day.
a 6 out of 10. As I said, it's not overbearingly hot. It's not hot to the point where which is good. Because that's the I know say I can't take the old man. Alright, so KFC, loving that. Loving your new sandwich. Looking forward to finishing it and having more
Yeah, definitely
in the
something.
future.
Definitely that's something that we will be going for in the summer. During the weeks of summer when we go out. It's definitely something we'll be looking out for and partaking in.
Yeah.
You know, they have a pretty extensive range on their menu so far, but this is definitely going to be my go-to for the summer. If they
Great
don't have the
addition.
barbecue, this. If they have the barbecue, I'll try this sometimes. So, yeah.
I'm trying to remember how much I paid for it so I can tell them. I don't remember. It's $1,000 or something. It's more expensive than Zinger, but I think it's worth it. It's really good.
Yeah, you're paying for the additives.
Yeah, which
Bacon
is
and
yeah.
all that stuff.
Which is expensive.
We'll drop the price on the screen. Find out and drop it on the screen.
Right.
Now this one, we've heard about you.
We've heard that this is hot.
We've seen you make people cry. Good way. But
You
let's
see people cry?
Tears come to them eyes with the spice. Yeah. So
What?
let's see. Did you know that Wendy's creative marketing and all that? What do you see here?
What I see?
Subliminal message. Yeah. Did you never know that?
What?
What do you see?
Oh, Mom.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So it's subliminally telling you that moms prefer Wendy or mom's cooking.
Oh,
So
that's nice. All right, let's show you the inside. Father God.
what do you think about how it looks?
I think inside looks a little similar to the KFC one in terms of, I'm not sure what these are, if it's,
Spice pepper feel.
so it's
I don't know. I really don't know. First thing, we did not get the ghost pepper fries this time around. We didn't think that we wanted to do an
can't do both
overkill
of
for
them.
us. Yeah, we know what we can tolerate and tolerate. That's right. I was going to say what we can tolerate, what we can manage. So, I think those were the ghost peppers that you were seeing. So let's see.
Okay, I think that's the ghost peppers.
Yeah.
Thought it was onions, but it's apparently not.
They don't look like they're ghosting to me. They look very present. I smell it. I smell the pepper. First things first. I smell the pepper. So you put the pepper in your mouth.
Okay, let's
I
go.
guess it creeps on you. Alright, let's go.
You have to take a bite so that you taste the ghost. Pass the water for me, please. Okay. To all the to all the pepper.
I don't taste it yet. Maybe I never bite far enough.
Mercy. To all the pepper lovers, this is for you.
Taste it now. Like my lips starting to burn. I guess that's why they said ghost pepper.
You don't see
When you
it?
bite it, yeah, when you bite it, you don't taste it. But when you let it sit a little,
No, man.
it starts to
No.
hit. Remember, I took the first bite and didn't taste it much, but now my mouth is on fire. I mean, enough. If I'm gonna take next bite, but I didn't taste it as.
In their ads, it says it packs a punch. Listen, this is not a punch that thumped me down.
Listen, it Ghostbusters. Who you gonna call?
Okay. Oh. Let me tell you, for all the pepper lovers, you will not be disappointed. Even though it's hot, it's tasty. Yeah, even though it's hot, it's tasty. But especially because we're not pepper lovers. You ever done the ice? My sweat.
Tastes good. Tastes good.
I don't know what kind of cheese this is,
But the pepper.
it's hot.
It doesn't overpower the taste of the chicken. It doesn't overpower the cheesiness.
But it's
But
just
it
hot.
gives you enough to know that, hey, I'm here. Right, my lips. I shouldn't throw the water, should I throw the milk? That's it.
If you guys try this and
Eat some more, man.
and your level of tolerance for pepper is high, you will definitely just gobble this down.
It's not something we would go for first.
Because we don't love pepper.
Because we don't love
but
pepper.
I know people who love pepper, and
This would be baby,
this would be excellent for
them.
you. You going to take another bite?
Yeah, I'm gonna finish it, I'm gonna finish it. Not today though. I'm gonna finish it, but I'm not gonna finish today. It for me, I would pair it with like a smoothie. Or
Yeah,
a
something very
slushy.
cool
Yeah.
that you can go to after you take a bite.
And
For
I would
us,
I would not buy the fries with this.
right? It's
I
like,
would
I
not
don't
buy the
know.
fries.
Well, I never thought of buying the fries because I'm like, I'm not gonna, because you know, we and the pepper go. And then people want us to do one chip challenge. It was mad. Crazy.
So two lovely.
Yeah. And the bun is soft and nice, as usual, and fresh. If you see me just looking at the sandwich, it's because I'm not going to take another bite.
But
I want to sleep
no,
tonight.
You are Indian people of spice.
The spice part jumped right over my head. I don't love spice.
And they say Jamaicans love to cook with a lot of pepper.
Yeah.
This will fit in that category. But we
It
are not the
tastes
average
good.
Jamaicans.
Yeah.
We're not the average. She's not the average Indian, it
Nope.
seems. But it
It
tastes
tastes
good.
good. It really does.
But it's just...
the pepper goes up.
When I took the first bite, I didn't feel it.
I don't think you had reached the
Second
ghost
bite,
peppers.
I'm feeling it around my lips. And I'm feeling it on my tongue. I'm feeling it. It's enough for me to... If I'm to take a next bite, I would give it probably 5 more minutes to cool down a little, and then bite, and then rest again.
Okay.
Bite. That's how I would eat it. It's not enough to make me. No, I don't want to continue.
Okay.
It's a nice lingering feeling
Yeah.
when it starts to cool down. When it starts to cool down.
I don't like any lingering feeling of pepper. I don't like any presence of it. I don't.
So we'll save this for another
Yeah,
day.
but when this big up, it tastes good. But that pepper man is packing up big punch.
So
Yeah.
we tried it for you. You go out and support the both of them. Depending on what we just said. Remember, it's for us though.
Yeah.
So
This
you
us
may
and
have
our
a different viewpoint,
tolerance.
but let this be a guide to you. If you're giving the kids, we would not suggest any of them. Right? It's a big people food.
Yeah, I wouldn't suggest any of these for the kids, but it's definitely something that you can try for the summer.
Yeah.
Both taste really good, and you can get them at KFC or Wendy's near you. This is not a sponsored video, but we wanted to try them because we see that persons have been raving about both of them. So try them and let us know. And if you've had them already, you can let us know in the comments if you like them. All right? Yeah. Bye. Clear up any sinus.
Clear right up.
Stuff from the curves. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for